There was a time when those before us risked their lives to climb to new heights, because climbing was the only choice. There was a time where we could only dream about flying, about seeing our world from a different perspective, about soaring high above towns and villages, cities and coastlines, heading out to sea to discover new things, revealing the previously unseen and the intriguingly unknown, about exploring our environment and keeping it safe. We are the explorers of today. Our progress is only limited by our imagination. And our imagination says, what if? What if we could see through buildings? What if we could get closer than anyone else? What if we could see underground? What if we could see inside something for the first time? What if we could see something in its entirety while being safely on shore? And what if we could do this anywhere in the world? And so we did. We created machines that could do all these things and more. We learned how to fly them with skill and precision. We captured the information they gave us and used it to show people how they could build, improve, restore, renovate, replicate, protect. We are the explorers of today. We capture the impossible.